Got it here, very unique fidget toy or fidget spinner, whatever it called, and it's designed just like a Riyadh XOK. It's a knife that cost over $250 or like maybe $180. So it's just an exact copy except in plastic. The way it works is I set it this way, close it this way. So hilarious. It's much smaller, does not fit my fingers all the way, and yeah, close it. Pretty fidgety. Obviously it's plastic. Close it. Okay, and one more time I'm gonna open maybe this way. It opens this way. Close it. Boom. Pretty cool. Exact copy of a real carabid. That is a gravity. Very unique. Can be opened this way, or it all the way can be flipped out this way and opens. Boom. That is hilarious how it's made out of plastic. Exact copy. Very fidgety, that's for sure. Got it here, Streamlight Pocket Mate. So 325 lumen. Kind of like a keychain pocket flashlight. Very small USB charger right here, so it's chargeable. Wow, interesting. Okay, one. Okay, person hold, nothing happens. So 2 modes, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we figured that out. Oh, no way, there is a clip. That is a removable clip. So if I want to make it a keychain, hang it onto a backpack or on a keys, there's actual carabiner or like a clip, whatever it's called, and it's so easy to just grab it with 2 fingers and pinch it, and then change it to just click it 2 times. Brightest, and it is very bright flashlight for such a small flashlight. I like that. And a charging port looks like will be right there, very hidden away. Almost have to use something to pry it open, or maybe I should put it on this side. Might have to use like a tool to pull it open because it's just so small, which is fine. It comes out pretty good. Boom, hidden away. Charger right there. Love it. So small, but very bright. That's it. I got it here, CRT Provoke. Let's open it up. And this one is made of really high qualities. Titanium right here. So there it is. Beautiful, stylish design. It says 4045 model, cost 12 design, CRT. And the way it closes, there's a safety button. Oh, that's tight. Push it right here. So no plastic pieces. In this one, it's all like really good, high quality materials. It's tight, it's nice. Boom. Kicks out this way. Beautiful. Okay, to close it, all I have to do is just push it right here. No, that's it. It's tight to close it, which is good because we do not want it to be closed by mistake. Beautiful. This way, left hand, don't matter. Okay, push that, easy. Got it here, Rovi Vaughan tether or like lanyard, bead, and also it could be a keychain. Put on a keys. There's a keyring. And this side here looks like green and yellow glow in the dark titanium, so very lightweight. Firefly Pro or Vivan, that's what it says right here. I don't know if it's possible to see. There it is. Beautiful lanyard. It takes apart, so I could just remove that, take this off, and take this off, and put a different lanyard, or I could just tighten it into something. so it's kind of like a tightens up into something very cool. Could be put on keys, knives, any kind of flashlights. Just use your imagination. But what I'm going to do, put it in the sun, and then we'll go in the dark to see how much and what colors it glow. In semi-darkness, it will glow a little if it's been recharged really good in the sun, and like if it's on the keys or a knife or flashlight, it will be most likely sitting out somewhere on a counter. And in much darker place, let's lock this door. Complete darkness, it is incredibly bright. I love it, which is easy to spot. But yeah, in much darker semi-light, it is beautiful. I like that a lot. This is so cool. Wow, I'm gonna try to explore more gadgets like that. Glow in the dark. Very cool. Even if I come in the corner right here with plenty of light, very bright. Got right here another kind of unique lighter, slim with a lever. Super interesting. Okay, there's a adjustable plus minus, so no need a screwdriver. Okay, let's fill it up. Okay, just filled it up, and it is very reliable and satisfying to get it going. I don't know, something about the lighters with levers are cool. So, torch lighter. And there's another, like a zipper tool that goes onto a zipper, onto a keychain, anything. It could be replaced, could be put something else on it. And look at that. That's, I don't know, like maybe centimeter and a half. That is crazy. So small. So it's like specifically designed to put it onto like a backpack zipper to make it easier to access the zipper. And also there is a tool in there as well. Boom, open up boxes and so on. This is just perfect. I love that. But yeah, would be a really good keychain knife as well. Let's see if I have a cardboard over here. Cut off a piece. Oh yeah, easy. Double A battery holder, to go battery holder, or just like have it in the house, and it's kind of satisfying whenever I put it in there. There's a click, and to remove it, just push it right here, and they kind of push forward, like jump up forward. Should hold it this way. Oh, this one is tighter, and it releases it. And there's different brand batteries, and just works so good, and it's so satisfying. Can remove all three at the same time. Boom. And then again, really quickly. Awesome. Love that. And this one clear, so I can see the brand.